Okay, so what I'm filming right now is the Conover, North Carolina Police Department supposedly getting people who are driving not wearing their seatbelts. Now, when I got pulled over for not wearing my seatbelt, it was actually about 9:55 p.m. at night. And you can see what they're doing now is they are looking at different people driving to see if they have their seatbelt on, and then they're going to alert another officer down the street to let them know whether or not someone has violated the seatbelt law. So notice as the cars drive by, they're looking first to see if the person has a seatbelt on, and then second, I guess they're looking at a description of the vehicle, but as you can see, there's nobody really getting any kind of license plate numbers. Now, there's also, before you get to the checkpoint where the police officer actually pulls you over, a car would have two different opportunities to take a left or a right. So if they're not getting license plate numbers, then it is quite possible that the car that they see at this time of night, which you can see is hard to see the colors and the makes and models of the cars, it's quite possible that whoever they said when they saw me didn't have a seatbelt on, because I had my seatbelt on, could have turned off, and then I get pulled because I'm the next car in line. You see the speed that people are going by these police officers, and they have to turn really quickly to see if they see whether, and see how long he's looking. Like, he doesn't know whether or not that person had, it took him that long to determine whether or not that person had a seatbelt on.